Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and if you have watched my previous video on Euro USD, then hopefully you have made some quick profit because we were hoping that market would cross the level and we will get a opportunity to short the market. So as per expectation, market did go down, market did give us an opportunity, and you can see that again market tried to recover and still market is trading below the level of 1.1600. so this level is very crucial for the chart of Euro USD. So my dear friends, if you do not have marked this level on your charting platform, then please draw a line or something like that, because this level will be very crucial if you love Euro USD. So apart from this level, you can see that I have got other lines as well. So this trend line acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. So in the future, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, doesn't matter, there is a possibility that when market will be hitting this trend line, there is a possibility of a trend reversal again. Reversal. Market reversal from this trend line if market faces the same selling pressure as it faced previous times. So again, this trend line is also important. Please draw it clear. And apart from these levels, 1.1666 is the resistance for the market. So if you ask me, Abhilash, which is the best trading position in the market, then I'll say that for the chart of Euro USD, this level, okay, this level where you can see that the trend line is beating with the resistance zone of 1.1666. This is the most sweet position to short Euro USD. Yes, according to my taste, this is the best position to short Euro USD. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of Euro USD, then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. Okay, so if you look at the trend of Euro USD here, then we can clearly see that overall market is in downtrend. The trend of the market is towards the downside, and there should not be any doubt about it. And as we all know, the basic rule and the first rule of the market is follow the trend. It means that if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as you can see that this is a seller's market, so we should mainly look for selling opportunities only, because see, if there are 100 traders in the market, then at least 80 traders are on the sell side and only 20 traders are on the buying side. So if you take side of the 20 traders here, then your chance of losing money is extremely high. As a result, we should mainly focus on selling opportunities only. And as we can see that market did struggle at this level of 1.1600 and still trying to act as a resistance here. So after the market opening, our main job will be to observe the price at this level. If you have already, listen to me carefully now, if you have already taken a short position, you are in a short position in the market, then yes, you can continue with your trading opportunity, trading position. No need to do anything, because this looks like a very good opportunity to short the market. Okay. And if you are looking for a fresh opportunity or fresh window to execute any order on Euro USD, then you can also go for a selling position on Monday if you find market trading below this level. Just keep in mind that we are still not sure about the level of 1.1600. Yes, it is trying to act as a resistance, but we are not sure whether it is a good resistance, strong resistance or not. And on the other hand, if you look at the chart of DXY here, Okay, US dollar here. Generally, we see a correlation with the DXY US dollar. Whenever dollar goes up, we see Euro USD going down. When dollar goes down, we see Euro USD going up. You can see that dollar, after this huge uptrend, huge bullishness in the market, dollar is coming down. Dollar is coming down to take rest. And if you observe the chart carefully, then you can see that after coming down, we also have a support zone at 98.30 to 93.60. So there is a possibility of dollar bouncing from this particular level. And you can see that we also have a trend line acting as support for the market. So we have a double support here. So if dollar bounces from this support zone, then definitely we will see some selling on the Euro USD. And if dollar bounces, then you can also short Euro USD. Unlike the chart of GBP USD, the chart of Euro USD is kind of complicated. Okay, so be very careful. You can see that I also have this dotted line in the middle of the chart, and this dotted line is the Fibonacci retracement level. In case Euro USD goes up from here, then there is a possibility that Euro USD will be reversing from here. When Euro USD will be reversing, just look at the position of US dollar. If you find US dollar bouncing from the support and Euro USD standing at this Fibonacci retracement level or at this particular level, then it will be a good opportunity to short the market, because see, dollar will be bouncing from the support and Euro USD will be standing at a resistance. So USD at support and Euro USD at resistance. So when dollar will be bouncing from the support, then definitely there is a high possibility, a high chance of Euro USD reversing from the resistance, either from this Fibonacci retracement level or from this level of 1.1666 at this particular level. So let's wait for the Monday and let's see where the market goes. And on the other hand, if market starts going down from here only, yes, you can be on the trade and you can also initiate a shorting opportunity. Just make sure that you are using proper stop loss, and your stop loss will be above this level. Okay, just make sure you use proper stop loss. That's it. And if you are a beginner, if you are thinking that this analysis is too much complicated, then I'm extremely sorry. I can't help it. I also do not prefer to trade on charts that are quite complicated, but yes, the chart is complicated, so nothing else we can do. So if you want to avoid Euro USD, yes, you can avoid. There are plenty of opportunities on other pairs as well, so it's totally your decision. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, you can see that 18% retail traders have taken short position and 81% retail traders have taken long position. So 81% retail traders are thinking that market will be going up. As we all know, more than 90% retail traders lose money, and honestly speaking, I have seen, or most of the time I see that market trading against the sentiment of retail traders. So if you look at the sentiment here, then there is a good possibility of market going down. So my dear friends, trade wisely, trade with proper analysis, and do not take buying position. And last month I have launched the Pro Trader membership program, where I share the best trading opportunities on the market. If you are interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, just go to my website. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information. So bye bye, take care, trade wisely, trade with proper analysis, and use proper risk management. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow, see you on Monday.